of the best opportunity for all in worldwide users. They want to make their future and online money. You can use Tunin application to earn everyday high income by using this application. This is not only a social media platform, but it's working as in cryptocurrency token also. So it is the best opportunity for earning. You can earn here by using Tunin application. We provides referral program, social media platform, ads viewing earning, affiliate earning program, fun games, shopping cashback, XDC crypto wallet, etc. We creating more opportunities on in this platform and many sources upcoming in this platform, so it is the best opportunity for making career. Those are searching about online platform for earning, connect sociality with everyone. Tuning Android app cultivates the relationships and social cultivates that you enjoy best. With Tunin app, maintain a friends circle for member and or neighbors whom you can talk to. You need people in your life that create conversation beyond the small talk, like chat, exchanging ideas, thoughts, concerns, and now will be also hope encourage you do this. See the size of your social group, so you that mutual caring make your life so enjoying. Tunin creates a platform that you are important to them and they are important to you. Stay connected with younger as Tunin never leaves feeling lonely. Build a new connection with someone or by seeking different opportunities to engage with other people. Tunin will eliminate the barriers for you to interact with the greater community. Play games and earn. Take the advantage of Tunin. Play fun games at your convenient time and earn a Tunin wallet. If you are already pretty active socially, shake it up with your circle around a common interest such as a ludo, spin, and color choice, etc. Among your workout group or family group and college troops and many more. Earn everyday high income by viewing ads. Ads view earning. Get the Tunin. Watch ads from your home at your free favorite time and convert your valuable time into earning. Use our task banner ads and many more. Refer your community to increase your earning. Refer and earn. Get the Tunin, refer to your community more and more and let your explore. In turn, bring in a fat Tunin wallet, apply it to your all everyday expenditures, get the benefit of our lucrative offers from time to time. Have a thoughtful vision to earn and fulfill your every ever increasing happiness with Tunin. Soap and earn. We have many opportunities for earning by Tunin platform. Soap and get the cashback power and empower community by referral. There is power in referral with someone, even if that a random stranger in Clet. The habit of digitally active a future of shopping for the world start by reaching out of neighbors or acquaintance that you have been in friendship for a long time. Now stay socially connected with Tunin, earn and earn. Make your habits to earn Tunin wallet. However, in return, Tunin takes care of you. Our services, many type of services available in this platform. Our partners are like this: XDC crypto wallets, XDC Daily Crime, or Delhi Journalist Investigation Research Institute. In Fin, these are our partners. They are working with us. If you are searching anywhere regarding to online working, so this is the one of the best opportunity for all worldwide users. Don't think as it is a fake, but it is the 100% legal and paying us within 24 hours, because I have been told in Hindi in other video how to congratulate and gives us money by this platform. I have been already told in others video before, so I want to recommend to use this platform for long time as long project, because you can make future in this platform.